Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To set an MP3 file for use as custom ringtone system-wide, do the following. Copy the MP3 files to your phone. Go to Settings, Sound, Device Ringtone. Tap the Add button to launch the Media Manager app. You will see a list of music files stored on your phone. Your selected MP3 track will now be your custom ringtone.
Take our lead.
How to set a custom notification sound in Settings. Open Settings. Tap Sound. Tap Default Notification Sound. Select the custom notification sound you added to the Notifications folder. Tap Save or OK.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
And to do that, head over to the Settings menu. Search for Sound and Vibration. Under the Phone Ringtone menu, search for Phone Ringtone. Now click on the SIM name, and select the new audio file. Your new ringtone is now set.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Drag the music file MP3 you'd like to use as a ringtone into the Ringtones folder. On your phone, touch Settings, Sound and Notification greater than Phone Ringtone. Your song will now be listed as an option. Select the song you want and set it as your ringtone.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
To make a custom ringtone for an iPhone, you'll need to edit a song using iTunes on the computer. You can tweak the start and stop time, save it as an AAC file, and change the file extension. You can then drag the edited song to the Tones section of iTunes and sync it with your iPhone using a connection cable.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Before you can use videos as ringtones on your iPhone, you must install a third-party app. Apps such as Free Ringtone Maker, My iTones and Videos Tone enable you to set videos as ringtones on your iPhone. Select one of the apps in the iTunes App Store, download it and install it on your iPhone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.